You want to make $100 a day passively? What about $1,000 a day? Who wouldn't? Well, today I'm going to share with you 15 digital products that you can start selling online today and make income passively. Make sure you watch until number 15, where I share the digital products that made me around $10,000 per day. Yes, you heard that right, per day. So what is a digital product? Pretty simply put, a digital product is a product that is delivered in the digital form and provides value to the receiver or your customer. Anything that can be downloaded and used digitally can be considered a digital product. They can be sold on popular platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. I released my first digital product back in 2018, and since I have created hundreds of thousands of dollars in passive income. I'm Brittany, and I'm the co-owner of The Savvy Mama and The Savvy Couple with my husband, Kellen. I'm a former teacher turned stay-at-home mom / business owner. All right, number 1 is an ebook, and an ebook is a digital book that can be downloaded and read on any device. You can write an ebook on that's fiction, nonfiction, how-to guides. So this one is one that we have for sale, and it is How to Save on Groceries, 30 Ways. And the best part of writing an ebook is once it's done, you don't have to continue to put work in. So you create it once and then it is making you income passively. The second digital product that you can create online to start making some money with is Printables. And this is by far my favorite. And this is what has allowed me to leave my job as a teacher and to become a stay-at-home mom / business owner. Printables are, if you don't know, a digital file that is created to be printed by the buyer. And printables can range from planners to checklists to worksheets and so much more. They're especially popular on like Etsy or Pinterest, but we obviously have our own shop where we sell our own digital products and specifically printables. Somebody will go in and purchase and they will get the PDF file to download, and then they can download and put it in their own planner, just like this example, and then they can use it to fill out. All right, the third digital product that you can sell online is system templates. And these are digital files that provide a framework or a structure for organizing and managing a specific task or process. Some examples of these could be like meal planning templates, budgeting spreadsheets, social media scheduling calendars. This is an example of a system template that we sell. This is a digital budget planner. So someone will purchase this and it will come to them in Excel or Google Sheets, and it's kind of just like a plug and play. System templates can be sold as individual products or in bundles, and it makes them a really good versatile option. All right, number 4 is teacher materials, and this one is pretty self-explanatory. These are different materials that a teacher would purchase in order to supplement material into their classroom, whether that's worksheets, any materials that makes the teacher's life easier. Could be a lesson plan. Canva is a free tool, canva.com, and it is a great place where you can go ahead and get teacher materials and you can create them for teachers to purchase to use in their classrooms. So I'll give you a quick example. So I'm on canva.com, all about me. It's the start of the school year, and a teacher needs an all about me activity that they can use in their classroom on that first day of school to kind of understand and learn about their kids in their classroom. So this template pops up, and then I can go in and kind of use what they have, or I can kind of change it up a little bit if I wanted to add some color, if I wanted to change things out, and then I would just download this and then as a PDF, and now it's ready to be sold to teachers. Some places that you could sell these templates are Etsy or on Teachers Pay Teachers. The possibilities with this one really are endless. Coming in at number 5 is wall art, and again, that is pretty self-explanatory. It is art that you can put on your walls. For example, wall art for nursery. And if you wanted to put these in an Etsy shop, you could click on it, customize it, and you could start to change it up. So you could make a boy or girl or gender neutral, and then you would save these files, put them in your shop, and then someone would purchase them. Real quick, our good friends Julie and Cody have a free training where they teach step-by-step how to research, create, and sell digital products online. There's a link in the description below to sign up. Number 6 is Workbooks, and they help people with work. They help them with a problem. They get them a solution by asking different questions and having them fill out these workbooks. So here is an example of a workbook that we have created. This is the Marriage and Money Bootcamp that we use to help couples get on the same page with their marriage and their money. So it kind of has a welcome, with an introduction, weekly challenge tips. As they read it and fill it out, it will have a workbook or an activity for them to work on together in order to help them achieve their marriage and their money, or in your case, to help your customer achieve whatever it is that you have that specialty in. Number 7 is stickers, and they are such a great digital tool that you create once and it's like, wait, how am I creating a sticker that someone's going to use on the other end? So I'll show you. Here is our cleaning binder, and this is the end. The last 2 pages is how to print their stickers. So they have either clear sticker paper or white sticker paper that they would have to purchase, and then they are able to print these stickers. So they would just hit print on their printer and have that sticker paper in there ready to go. Stickers are a huge thing right now, especially over on Etsy. People love to put them in their planners. They love to put them on their calendars. There are so many different ways to use them. A lot of people are creating stickers for the front of their laptops or Kindles, water bottles, like literally the list goes on and on. Number 8 is bookmarks. And again, I'm over here at Canva. Here is create a blank bookmark. So if you have your own ideas, or you can use all of these to customize to make your own, and then you can put them in your shop or on a website and people can print them off and use them. Number 9 is wallpaper for your cell phone or for your iPad, for your computer. I went ahead over to Etsy and I typed in phone wallpapers. So here are some examples of some wallpapers that are currently selling on Etsy for different iPhones and different backgrounds of tablets. You could use these as a guide to see what's selling, and then you can create your own wallpapers over on Canva, upload them to your shop, and again, people will get that file. They can download it and put it on the background of their phone. Number 10, Canva templates. These are great to sell to other people in your niche that are looking for the same thing and trying to save time and a quick shortcut for them. You are kind of like that middleman. You take the time to make that template one time and then you can sell it, and then they get the copy of the Canva template and then they can use it to match their business. For example, I bought this moving day planner from our friends, and then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change up the colors and the branding to match our company. This really has saved me a lot of time creating these Canva templates, changing them to printables to sell to my own audience. So it kind of definitely all works together. If you're getting value from this video and interested in learning ways to make money online, creating profitable online side hustles, and want to fast track your financial freedom, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure that you are here along the journey to financial freedom and creating more passive income. Coming in at number 11 is online courses. This is something that you take your expertise in and you create a course on it. You record the videos and you put it on a platform to sell digitally. You do it one time and then you can sell it forever. Like I said earlier, our good friends Cody and Julie created this ePrintables course, and it is so jam-packed, powerful to help you start selling these digital products online. This is a course that they created that they are getting passive income from creating it one time. The options on creating online courses are endless. There are so many different topics out there that you have knowledge on that you can share with people that they can purchase from you. Number 12, digital planners are planners that someone can download that they can use. They don't need to have a printer and have paper pencil. They are more of a digital form for the end goal for the user. Went over to Etsy. I typed in digital planner to help give you some ideas of what they would look like. They are very popular for people who love their stylus and their iPad, and they can always have their planner with them on the go. Coming in at number 13 is self-assessment tools. These are resources that someone would print off, take a quick self-assessment in certain areas that they're struggling with, kind of see those needs and those strengths and able to make changes in their life. Again, I hopped over to Etsy. I typed in self-assessment tools, and as you can see, different people have different backgrounds and strengths that they use to turn into different assessments. and different tools that people can use to help better their life. If number 12 was digital planners, number 14 is printable planners. This is different than up top for number 2 of just being printables. Those could be just like those one-page quick lists that people need. Printable planners are kind of like the more comprehensive, bigger planner that someone would print in order to use all year. As you can see on this one, I'm on the 26th page out of 172. This has every month and every day of the year. So this is a printable planner that someone would print out and put into their own binder. Okay, you made it all the way to number 15, and that is to create a bundle of products. You are taking products from the list above and you are bundling them all together into one big bundle that people cannot resist. This is my Chaos to Control bundle. Here's the productivity planner, that one planner that I showed you. Here is the Marriage and Money Bootcamp, that workbook, How to Save Money on Groceries ebook, literally taking a bunch of different things from the digital products that you can sell online. So it's really perfect for people who want all of those digital products that they can get at one price. Now that you know a handful of digital products that you can sell online this year, you are probably wondering what other ways you can make passive income online. In my husband's next video, he shares the top 5 side hustles that are going to explode this year. So we'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.